So let's learn how to make the plural forms of those words which end with the letter Y. The words that have vowel sound before Y. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U. The words that have a vowel sound before Y, those words will be having S in their plural form. But those words which are having consonants before Y will be having IES added in their plural forms. For example, in these words before Y we have a vowel. For example, here we have O. So we are writing toys, boys, days, keys, monkeys. But when we have a consonant before Y, we cut Y and add IES. For example, babies, cherries, countries, jellies, and here in fairy, fairies. So I hope the rule is quite clear to you now, and if you want to see more such videos, then follow us.